It's a V4 OMC that came in that someone was working on it himself, and he's a musician, not a mechanic. And we have just had more fun laughing at things that we've found on this. You just couldn't believe it, but this was the best one right here. If you look at the float on there, it's upside down and bent. It actually goes on this way right here, and that tab keeps it from swinging down, and the needle sits underneath there, and it moves up and down and closes. It's stuck. You can't even move it right now. I'm in awe. And this is what we found throughout this whole motor. So I guess it's a warning if you're a musician. Take your boat to a mechanic. Or watch the YouTube video all the way to the end. But that's how much they bent it to try to make it work.